Have you noticed how, after the age of 40, your skin begins to lose its natural glow, becoming thinner, drier, and even developing more visible expression lines? This happens because collagen production drops dramatically with age, and without collagen, the skin loses firmness, elasticity, and youthfulness. But what almost no one knows is that there is a little-known fruit that can help the body naturally stimulate collagen production, restoring vitality to the skin and slowing down the signs of aging. And best of all, we're not talking about expensive supplements or painful procedures, but a simple, affordable food that can easily be included in your daily routine. Stay with me until the end, because in addition to revealing what this fruit is, I'll show you how to consume it in the right way to maximize its effects on your skin. And I invite you to subscribe to this channel to receive the next videos. Did you know that starting at age 25, our bodies begin to produce less collagen, and after 40, this decline becomes even more rapid? That's precisely why we start to notice signs such as sagging skin, deeper wrinkles, expression lines that didn't exist before, and even weaker hair and nails. Collagen is a protein that is essential for keeping skin firm, elastic, and looking young and healthy. When it begins to decrease, the skin loses support and hydration. And this is one of the main reasons for visible aging. But the good news is that the right diet can stimulate the body to produce collagen naturally. In other words, you don't have to rely solely on expensive creams or cosmetic procedures. There are simple and affordable ways to help your skin from the inside out. And this is where the little-known fruit that I am going to reveal today comes in. It has special nutrients that can naturally stimulate collagen production and make all the difference to your skin after 40. So, if you feel that your skin is becoming drier, tired, and dull, stay with me until the end, because you are going to discover a powerful natural ally to reverse this process: food and natural collagen. Many people believe that only supplements or creams can help restore collagen. But the truth is that diet plays a decisive role in this process. Our body needs certain nutrients to activate and sustain collagen production. Among the most important are vitamin C, essential for collagen synthesis and also for protecting the skin against free radical damage; natural antioxidants, which help fight premature aging and preserve existing collagen fibers; amino acids, such as proline and glycine, which are essential for forming the structures that give skin its firmness and elasticity; minerals such as copper and zinc, which are directly involved in the reactions that stimulate collagen. In other words, your skin reflects what you put on your plate every day. If your diet is poor in these nutrients, the signs of aging will appear faster. But if you choose the right foods, it is possible to slow down this loss and even regain some of the skin's natural firmness and vitality. And that is precisely why the fruit I am going to reveal today is so special. Besides being delicious and affordable, it is rich in compounds that boost natural collagen production, helping your skin stay firm, hydrated, and youthful even after 40. So, if you've noticed expression lines, dry skin, or sagging, pay close attention, because this fruit can become your greatest ally from now on. The little-known fruit that can transform your skin after 40 is guava. The fruit I'm talking about is guava, a powerful ally for natural collagen production in women over 40. Many people don't realize it, but guava is considered one of the world's greatest natural sources of vitamin C, containing up to 4 times more vitamin C than oranges. And why is it so important? Because vitamin C is the key nutrient for collagen production in the body. Without it, the body simply cannot form the fibers that keep skin firm and youthful. In addition, guava is rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the skin against damage caused by the sun and free radicals, preventing spots and wrinkles; natural fibers, which improve intestinal health, which directly impacts nutrient absorption and skin appearance; B vitamins, which help keep skin more hydrated and vibrant. Research shows that including foods rich in vitamin C, such as guava, can significantly increase natural collagen synthesis, helping to reduce wrinkles, improve skin elasticity, and even accelerate the healing process. In other words, by regularly consuming this fruit, you are literally nourishing your skin from the inside out. And best of all, it is a simple, inexpensive fruit that can be easily found at farmers markets and supermarkets. But most people are still unaware of its true anti-aging power. Vitamin C superpower. Guava is one of the richest sources of vitamin C among fruits. An average of 100 grams provides between 180 and 300 milligrams, which is 4 to 5 times more than a regular orange. Vitamin C is essential as a cofactor in the enzymatic processes that stabilize and structure collagen, allowing for its proper formation and maintenance of skin firmness. Antioxidants that preserve collagen. In addition to vitamin C, guava contains antioxidant compounds such as lycopene, carotenoids, and polyphenols, which fight free radicals and protect existing collagen fibers. These antioxidants help reduce damage from pollution and UV rays, keeping the skin structure younger, stimulating fibroplasia and healing. Studies indicate that vitamin C modulates the gene expression involved in collagen formation, especially in fibroblast cells, which are essential for skin structure. In other words, eating guava can indirectly accelerate skin regeneration and natural firmness, hydration, and skin texture. Guava also has a high water and fiber content, contributing to natural hydration, which reduces dryness and improves skin texture. Dietary fiber also contributes to intestinal health, helping in the absorption of nutrients by the skin. Extra protection and regeneration. The antioxidants in guava, especially lycopene, offer natural protection against UV sun damage and help lighten blemishes, promoting more even and radiant skin. These active ingredients also have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which can even help improve acne or irritation. A+ for mature skin. As you have seen, guava is practically a cocktail of natural collagen and skin care. Now, I'm going to show you how to include this fruit in your daily routine in a practical way, so you can easily enjoy its power, whether at breakfast, as a snack, or even in light recipes. Now that you know why guava is so powerful for the skin and collagen, you may be wondering, but how do I include this fruit in my routine? The good news is that it is super versatile and can be consumed in many easy and delicious ways. Simple ways to consume it. Fresh. Eating the fruit fresh, with or without the skin, is the richest source of vitamin C and antioxidants. As a morning or afternoon snack, in juices or smoothies, mixing guava with fruits such as strawberries, oranges, or papaya further enhances its antioxidants. A good option for those who want a refreshing and nutritious drink. Salads: cut into small cubes. Guava goes well with green leaves and even light cheeses. In addition to being beautiful, it makes the meal more nutritious. Light recipes. It can be used in yogurt, overnight oats, or even in natural sugar-free syrups. Ideal amount. 1 medium guava per day is recommended to get a good dose of vitamin C. If you don't have daily access to it, 3 to 4 times a week already brings great benefits for your skin and overall health. Important precautions. For those with sensitive intestines, excess consumption can cause loose or constipated stools, so it is best to start slowly. Always prioritize ripe and fresh fruit to ensure more nutrients. See how simple it is. The important thing is to maintain the frequency because, over time, you will notice not only firmer and more vibrant skin, but also more energy in your daily life. And now, I'm going to give you some extra tips to further boost your body's natural collagen production. As you've already noticed, guava is a powerful ally for skin over 40. But if you really want to accelerate the results, there are some habits and foods that can work together to form a true natural, anti-aging routine. Other important food sources: citrus fruits, oranges, acerola, kiwi, lemon, that are rich in vitamin C, which, like guava, is essential for collagen synthesis. Oilseeds, walnuts, almonds. Rich in vitamin E and selenium. They protect the skin against free radicals and help with firmness. Eggs and lean meats, sources of essential amino acids, glycine, and proline, which are the building blocks of collagen. Fish rich in omega-3, salmon, sardines, tuna. They improve skin elasticity and reduce inflammation that accelerates aging. Habits that accelerate collagen production. Daily hydration. Drinking enough water keeps the skin firm and prevents premature collagen degradation. Restful sleep. During deep sleep, the body releases hormones that stimulate skin regeneration. Sun protection. Excessive sun exposure is one of the leading causes of collagen breakdown. Using sunscreen is essential. Regular exercise improves circulation and tissue oxygenation, which promotes collagen production. studies that reinforce the importance of habits. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that women with higher vitamin C intake had fewer wrinkles and better skin elasticity compared to those who consumed less. Another study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology highlighted that quality sleep is directly associated with younger, firmer skin. In other words, there is no magic formula, but rather a combination of smart choices. Guava can be the starting point, and these habits will enhance the effects, helping your skin stay firm, radiant, and youthful for much longer. Now you know, guava is not only a delicious fruit, but a powerful ally for keeping your skin firm and beautiful after 40. Rich in vitamin C, it stimulates natural collagen production, helps reduce the signs of aging, and even strengthens your immunity. And the best part is that it is an affordable fruit, easy to find, and can be consumed in many ways: fresh, in salads, juices, and even smoothies. Speaking of smoothies, if you want to maximize these benefits and take care of your body in a practical and tasty way, I have a special tip in the pinned comment. I left a link to the Smoothie Diet, a complete program with functional recipes that will transform your routine. These combinations are designed to nourish, improve your skin, and give you more energy for your daily life, so be sure to check it out. Start taking care of your health and beauty from the inside out today. Did you like the tip? Leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss more content like this. Share it with that friend who also wants to feel younger and healthier. See you in the next video.